There are two main ways to make leaves. The first one, you're going to start with a square, fold it in half, and then cut so that you have a triangle. Take your triangle, and now you're going to accordion fold it as thinly as possible from the fat side to the thinner side. Like so. And then you're going to glue right here. You can either do that with a glue gun or white glue. You don't need a whole lot. And then fold it in half. And that's going to give you this very basic and very beautiful leaf pattern. Now, if you flip it on the other side, there's going to be a tip right here. Snip that off, and that will just make for a smoother edge right there. The second method, you are going to take your square, or really it doesn't have to be a square for this one, fold it in half, and you're going to cut out a fatter shaped leaf, like so. You're going to take the pointier end and bring it up like so. And now you're going to accordion fold this one as thinly as possible as well. But you must start at the sharper edge, and you must do it at an angle for this to be right. Then when you unfold this, you're going to have a leaf with a really nice texture, like so. So those are the two main methods. Now, another idea is if you have paint sample cards, you can do the same thing and you'll have like some beautiful colors. So let me show you this one. Fold it in half, like so. And you could cut out a super long leaf, like so. And that beautiful leaf you could use, for example, on the sunflower. You could glue it right onto the sunflower like so, and then you could bend it. So that's a third type of leaf. Think out of the box with your materials. So not only paint cards, you could do magazines, you could do cardstock, wrapping paper, so many different ideas with leaves. But those are, I would say, these are the three most basic types of leaves. You could also, if you're using white paper, you can outline the edges before you fold. And you can also add texture. So for example, if you want to add texture, when you cut out your triangle, like so, before you fold that in half like that, and then you could go ahead and add some texture. Then do the same step, go ahead and accordion fold, like so. Add your glue, fold in half, And for this one, you don't really need to cut off the tip. And you have a leaf like that. So just the difference of cutting some texture on the outside. If you want to add the color, you take your triangle. I'm just going to write on the back of this so I don't get green all over. Take a green marker, or whatever color you'd like. Fall leaves are beautiful too. And you're going to outline your leaf here. You could also do this with paint, colored pencils. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to color all sides and then also color the back. I'm just doing this real quick. And then you would also do the back, and then that would give you these types of leaves with that spark of color. So lots of different ideas for leaves, and then you can always put them on a stem. So happy folding.